crazy. I mean, it's 3 years coming, and it's weird too because it's COVID. Obviously, it's not the same as it normally is. But I'm so happy that I got the alumni to come, that could come, and my family is here. And it feels weird that everybody knows the secret.
Up to the last minute, I didn't think much about it, and then all of a sudden, day of, you can't sleep the night before, and then, wow, this is really happening. So pretty amazing experience to be here in Prout and just have that. It's just surreal. It doesn't feel real yet. I'm sure it'll hit here in the next couple days, but it just feels crazy.
School spirit's everything. I mean, the fact that we get a chance to give back to BGSU and raise the spirit among students and to try to make every student's day better is something that I can never express in words, and just a way to give back to this university that's given so much to me is everything. School spirit, it lifts us all.
It's such an awesome, unique thing to be looking back at the crowds and know that they don't know who I am, but all I can do is be fun, be exciting, and hopefully I, left that impression. So it's a great opportunity.
So first of all, it was raising spirit for the students at BGSU. That was everything to me. Hanging the signs, having the interactions, going to the football games, going to all the sports games. It was amazing. But also, I think the other side of it is the relationships in our group. And these are my best friends. These are my people. These are my family. And oh my God, I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Being the thing that gives other students excitement, energy, peps up the crowd, whatever it may be, is such a just amazing opportunity to be at a football game and be on the sideline and, pumping up the crowd is just such an indescribable experience. It's amazing.